Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Say something, bro.
Yo.
I can't hear y'all.
Hmm.
You think I'm going fucking deaf? You
Nah,
did, but you on the phone.
man, come on, bro.
I can't hear y'all, dog. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna have to talk, and y'all just have to be like, "All right, I agree."
So you can't hear
Put
me?
it on mute. So then,
Thank you.
You can hear me?
I cannot hear nothing y'all saying today. What the fuck?
Oh shit. I might have to run this Zoom. Oh, what's on with your audio?
Hear us now?
hello. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
Y'all hear me?
Yep.
Oh, I just need you to say something, baby. That was the extreme. What's up? Come here.
You can hear?
Yeah, you can how you can hear.
You back, Winston?
Yeah, Lionel.
All right. Well, you can unhost me, brother. Well,
Yeah, I hear you.
or you want me to do it?
I can do it.
You could do it. Y'all could do it.
I can do it, but you up to it.
My screen fixed. I can see your screen. Why
Uh,
look so clean, bro? And
Cause bro, I don't have all that shit on my screen like you, though. You know what I'm saying? I just trade price. You hear me? Let me see. Hold up, bro.
yeah, Lionel.
Let's start at the weekly, bro. What y'all think about this weekly, man? I say we had to come take these. I'm gonna draw it on there for y'all, man. Let me draw it on for y'all so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I said the market had to come take these two lows out right here. before it started moving higher. That's exactly what we did on a weekly time
Coming
frame.
handle all that down there. I think she coming handle all that. So, yeah, she coming
So
take care of all that, and I think that's when the turning point gonna happen to her. For sure.
so so, I said that last Sunday. This candle didn't even we was on this candle right here.
And we was waiting for it to go inside that number right there, and we got
this
what you got.
this
Right
candle
there.
had this candle hadn't started printing yet.
Yeah.
Right. So my my objective was for the market to come take these two lows out right here. Now, when I like what I be trying to explain to y'all on the other Zooms and shit, like so if you got long, you probably didn't get long here. You probably waited for confirmation for to see the market going higher on a weekly time frame, which this is. So you probably if you got long anywhere in this area, any of these weeks, you probably put your stop loss before under here. So that's why the market came to take out them stops. So now, once those stops are moved, now the market is probably going to be hunting for short stops. So short stops are to the upside. If you got short, we gotta go get that liquidity from the upside. So this is just the weekly time frame. Now, I'm gonna say this: the market can keep going lower. Winston made me put this trend line on my chart. I'm gonna take this shit off. The market can keep going lower, bro.
That
'Cause we
bitch
got-
dead
The
now.
only reason why I'm coming is look right where you at right there. That's where my rectangle is drawing at on my chart. Right there is where cause it touched there 3 times. So I'm like, okay, really 4 times because that other dip, we got another dip. It dipped down there, but took a big dip down there. But those 3 is definitely confirmation of the 3 times it touched that 4,000 and under level down there. So it just looked like it's going down there again. It looked like it's strong enough to tap, but I definitely see what you're talking about as far as the upside liquidity. Like they'll go up there just to take them out and then come back down and do it.
Right. So this happened. So the market kind of took off in May, right? So we in the end of October, market just getting back down here to take these stops out. So like I be telling y'all, liquidity is it rests below old lows, which this was, and old highs. So you got highs here. This box right here, that's a daily gap. This box right here, that's a daily gap. So you got highs here. You also have an order block here, which is in the middle of a daily gap. So what I want to see the market do is I want to see the market kind of reverse a little bit, get back some of this, come take out some of these stops, then move lower. I don't want to see it continue in the same direction because if it does that, then that's kind of unhealthy as far as market sentiment goes. But they do have the market can come take this low out right here. But this is the weekly time frame. This is a high time frame. So we go down to the lower time frame. Let's go to the daily, man. Let's see what the daily talking about. Can we take out this low right here? We got a gap down here. Do we feel it? No, we ain't feel this gap yet. Let me draw it out so y'all can see it. So y'all can see what I'm talking about. Do you feel that gap? No, almost.
Almost.
Hell on there.
So look, so
Put that region on there, Mike, right quick.
see what now?
You could just go all the way across. Put your region on there, your Y region.
For sure, look better.
Damn near.
Yeah, it didn't fill.
That big close inside it
It feels
too.
inside of it.
But
But
inside of it though, so that means, like I said, anytime the daily and weekly playing inside levels is going where it says it's going, it's most likely going where it's going.
so look, this is what I wanna bring this to y'all attention. You see how so this level right here I got right here, it's the daily SS. So the SS stands for sell side liquidity. So sell side liquidity rests below buy stops. So you see how the market took off right here? This is an old low. We took that low out on this candle.
And
As you can see, we took that. So look, I want to show y'all something. This is a hidden gem for any time frame. So if you see the market trade to and through a old low like this, but it don't close beneath it, or it don't have like a displacement candle like this, like if it don't close below it like with a candle like this, like it did on probably what this was last Wednesday, then the market is going to reverse and go take out some buy stops, some sell stops. See how that happens? So it's like
it was shot back up and that kind of
you take these stops out, you take these orders out, and take that liquidity back to the other side. So, but I'm gonna say this: by the market being bearish, you got to know what you're trading to see what you see as far as how far the market gonna go up. Because if we know the market is bearish, which as we can see, then I'm not trying to buy nothing. I'm trying to sell. You see what I'm saying? So the reason why I put this line on my chart right here. This is a market inefficiency. Me and Winston talked about this. Was this last week we talked about this? This inefficiency right here. Well, you have two candles right here, but you got wicks. So the candles don't touch. The bodies of the candles don't touch. You just have wicks. That's a volume imbalance right here. Call it a volume imbalance, bro. So that's why I put this line right here. And the market came straight to the line, and then what we did, we sold back off. But look, when you have instances like this happens on all time frames, dog. I want y'all to pay attention to this. And you can go back test this shit. When you have an old low like this, the market tends to travel through it. Now, if the market don't travel through it and stay through it, it's gonna reverse. All we doing is picking up all this to bring to the other side. But when we travel through it like so, with a candle like this, you could expect some continuation, and we close below this low too that we created while rating these orders right here. Now, I just like in my personal experience, dog, when I know the market is bearish, I'm not trying to buy shit. I don't give a fuck how good it look. I'm not buying it. So even seeing this, you could have made some good money off of this. But you got to find these kind of trades on a smaller time frame. Like, because the daily, this candles is all day. You got to find these trades on a 4 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute, 15 minute, or even 10-minute time frame. But like I said, we travel through an old low like this. Well, if you don't get a closure or a displacement candle like this, we gonna probably all we're doing is taking orders and bringing it back to the upside. So once you displace below the low, you could expect continuation to the downside, and vice versa too. It happens to the upside as well. But we ain't talking about that right now. We talking about what happened last week. So now, point and figure is this. Winston, you think it's a gap bounce right here, bro?
Your wire region?
Yeah, you think it's a gap
That's a
bounce?
fill, bro.
You think we're gonna feel it?
I think we gonna feel it, if it ain't fucking filled yet. Like that's what 80-90% of that.
Yeah, it's
That
not
ain't
filled
joint?
though. It ain't filled.
I could bet you that if it didn't fill, we
This gap
opening
not
down
filled
there.
either.
We gonna open down there.
Below it, huh?
Yeah, we'll open below it.
It might
But
and it might use
to me, I
you
don't
might
want
use
to
the
play it.
bottom of the
Pull
gap as
too much
resistance.
liquidity out of it. I don't want to play that field.
The
I
liquidity?
wouldn't sell that if it came back up to whatever the top of that yellow line is. I'm not selling that.
41, 44.
No, I'm not.
All right. So let me go to the 4-hour, man. Let's see something right quick, dog. Draw my gaps, man. Since y'all got me. Let's see. Gap. Gap. Another, they got all kind of shit on this 4-hour. Yeah, I think we might open up green, bro. Cause you gotta look at this, bro. And I just wanted. Hold on, let me get my screen together. Let me see. Oh yeah, we did kind of display below this low, but yeah, this gap we might fill this gap though. You're right. We might fill this gap tonight. We fill this gap tonight. I think we're gonna have some upside. We're gonna see. We're probably gonna see what's up with this gap right here. To be honest with you, but all in all, I do feel like the market is gonna sell.
I think on a bigger time frame, you really ain't got no choice.
Right. So let's go to the smaller time frame. Let's go to your 1 hour. This my bread and butter right here.
My bread and butter.
1 hour. See this shit right here? This consolidation bullshit right here.
I'm gonna tell y'all a secret when you're done too.
What's the secret, dog?
I'm gonna tell you. Go ahead and finish what you're doing, dog. Might not. I might not. Fuck it. Go ahead, please, man, cousin.
Oh God. See all these fucking inefficiencies, these small gaps and shit that the market leaving behind. It's leaving that shit behind for a reason. It's gonna come back and address all this shit. This shit right here. Market gonna come address all this shit, bro. But I see this. But look, Winston, what you think about this fucking price action right here, dog? This shit.
Whatever,
This
yeah,
this
to
shit
cool
right here.
down. So when
And then all of a sudden you got these big ass.
wait, what you talking about? Like
I'm
right?
talking about this shit right here. Then all of a sudden,
You gotta look at so if you look at the sell off, Mike,
yeah,
look at that little bump that it got and how it was allowed the RSI to get higher
yeah,
just to drop. So it's just like a little consolidation point for that bitch to turn. That shows at like 18, bro. And they got one small ass fucking hourly candle to bounce up a little bit. And then that bitch dropped again. And then when it dropped this time, lower than that consolidation, you still ain't break 30 on RSI. So clearly it was just getting room to keep fucking dropping. Just cooling off a little bit. I read right through that one. I was like, I know this bitch ain't turning around.
bro. Let me show you.
Seen that RSI start curving, I was like, nope, I ain't falling.
Look, let me show y'all. I'm gonna show you one of my bread and butter trees right here, dog. So like in the afternoon session, like the market what I look for, I'm gonna tell you what I look for on the 5-minute chart is gaps, right? So when the market create gaps, that's what I've been looking to trade on the 5-minute, right? So like between like 1 and 2 o'clock, if a market create a gap, like so, I look to see how we trade back into this gap. So normally, if the market, if we're bearish, I'm selling the top of this gap. Right? So this one of them ICT trades. It's called a silver bullet. You can look it up. So the silver bullet is like, so the market creates a trading opportunity between the hours of 1 and 2 p.m. Right? They call it the afternoon session. So if the market creates a fair value gap, you watch how the market trades back into this gap. Right? So for me, if I know the market is bearish, I'm selling this gap. I'm just looking for 10 points, right? So you sell the top of this gap from what 36 down to 26. That's more than 10 points. That's with fucking full contracts, that's $2,000. Right quick. But I encourage y'all to go watch that video on the silver bullet, dog. Because it just teaches you how to time the market. Like you come to the market at a certain time looking for a specific thing. And if you don't have it, you don't have to trade that shit. Right? So like he teaches the sessions like even the trading session, you got 3 sessions. You got your morning session, you got your lunch session, then you got your afternoon session. You got a silver bullet that happened in the morning session. You got a silver bullet that happened in the lunch session. I mean in the evening session, which is from 12:30 to 3 o'clock. The morning session starts at 8:30 and it stops at 11. And then you got this from 11 to 12:30. So from 11 to 12:30, that's just your lunch session. You really don't find many trades in there unless it's something specific that you're looking for. But between 9 and 10 o'clock, if you find a silver bullet trade, the market, creates that opportunity for you to take that trade, then you take it. That's one of my bread and butter trades, bro. That's the trade I take. I trade that. I trade order blocks, and I trade like inversion gaps. And I explain that shit at another time. You know what I'm saying? But since we here, I'll be playing this gap. Tonight or tomorrow, I'll just be waiting to see how the market responds to this gap.
Another thing I want y'all to note is that on Wednesday the 1st, we have 6 red folders in one fucking day, bro.
Is all US? Is all us?
USD. 6 of them bitches from 8:30 to 2:30 is
There's order block down here.
popping off with news. So,
Oh man, I gotta buy that.
and my secret is I haven't been trading ES. I've been doing FanDuel. That's the secret.
Man, this dude here, bro. I'm gonna give you the screen back, dog, because I know y'all like to go to the hood. I know a lot of people don't trade futures. So y'all like to go to, y'all like to go to do SPY and Tesla and all that shit. I don't touch that shit.
Oh, I took a fucking lotto on Tesla Friday, bro. Took all my little money, dog. I put $5.
I want to see how the market. It's gonna be a lot of waiting for me this week. I don't think I'm gonna be doing a lot of trading, dog.
You got your monthly candle, and then Tuesday.
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh,
it can't get back above that level.
I don't think I'm gonna do a lot of trading this week.
Get my chart back.
Because you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You can mark it. Yeah. Go down a little bit more.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I see that.
Mm-hmm.
I see it. But you see, well, check this out. But check this out. You remember how we was talking about this when we was trying to last month when we was trying to get this gap filled last month?
Mm-hmm.
And we was talking about how hard it was for the market to get back above this level.
It ain't getting back above that.
You see how hard it was for the market? It had a gap up to get above this level right here. Let me draw it out so y'all can see it. So I don't think I'm talking Japanese. This level right here. Couldn't get above it. You see how for you see how far down we are from this level?
We not getting back above it,
Not
dog.
getting, yeah,
Mm-mm.
4306. Man, that's crazy, dog.
That's two. You ain't getting that in 2 days.
No,
Know something. They ain't get
no,
that in 2 days. They paid.
no. So I think the next opportunity you gonna have, we should get a small bounce to the upside, and that's your opportunity to get short. So
Nell and Lou
Mo-
got the 355. That might be the most fucking underrated play that's gonna come out. Cause this bitch falling.
so look,
Will it
yeah.
do it in the proper time frame? But I'd say once he gave up that fucking orange line, I ain't got nothing
This
for
this
it.
my this is my point of interest right here from a monthly perspective.
Mm-hmm.
From here to here. Hold up. Let me just do it box. That circle shit don't work. This is right here, up in here. This is from a monthly perspective, from the top of this box. This is what I'm looking for. I want the market to come take this shit out right here. Take all this shit out.
I
Cause
think
this is these stops right here. This what nigga got long from last time. So from a money perspective, the liquidity is down here at 39.22.
yeah,
Come take that shit out.
yeah.
Yeah, come take that shit out. Might as well come get this low too. Take all this shit out.
I just wonder if it's going to go test the go test that line, then sell off. Or like you said, if it's just gonna keep falling. Because
I think we should get a bounce, bro. I think this gap fill should send us a little higher, to be
I'm
honest
selling
with you.
4306. Like it ain't no problem. If we make it all the way back up there.
Yeah.
Not
But then you got
necessarily saying it's gonna be
but then you got all these inefficiencies that we got to get back through. These gaps. You got these gaps, you got this old sell side liquidity right here that we closed
I
beneath.
mean, you look at that, look at your joint. It ain't really it's a lot of money, but
This gap.
it ain't that far when you on your daily.
This is daily right here, yeah.
Yeah. Your daily oversold. You dig?
I'm take this shit out. That shit don't look for at all. But look, you
I'm
got
gonna
this
put a
other
trend
block.
line. You see across the top of that mountain, going down.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's gonna react like if you draw one to the downside. Yeah,
I'm
across
not
that.
drawing no trend line on my shit, bro.
Man, draw the motherfucking trend line, bro.
Street nigga down. But yeah, bro. How about come take these lows out, bro. Come take all this shit out. But from a data perspective, bro, we got this at the bottom of this gap. We got this order block. The market gonna respond to this order block to the upside, dog. I promise you. But with the come on. Open.
So we go back a couple weeks, like they had 425 holding on a SPY,
Mm-hmm.
and then the next once it broke, the next number was 411, and it came. I think we closed at like 410, and
Oh,
then
3
just go through fucking like uh almost muscle memory. You got like 48, got like 400. And I remember we used to have a lot of times in the chat was calling out like 393, 392.
Yeah.
So those numbers just like, they stick out to us because we've been fucking with this shit for so long. So without even looking, I haven't looked at the spot, but I know I could go to those areas. Now what that look like on this chart, it might be down there. It'll line up. I'm not even nervous about it. But I would like to see like a daily close under 4.8. Then go down.
Put SPY on, dog. Go ahead, put your SPY up, bro.
Y'all can hear me?
Yeah.
What the fuck? You made me the host again?
You know.
No, I'm not the host. You the host. I gotta reclaim it. No, I don't know. Lou got it. Lou, you the host?
Huh?
Are you the host?
Nope.
Mike, I gotta. Oh,
This is a good week to sit out, but I'm not gonna hold you.
hey, Mike, I think you gotta
Well,
relinquish your duties.
oh, all right, hold on.
Yeah, my phone. Apple lucked up and got back above it. I didn't know that. Mhm. Nope, sir. That's interesting. Anyhow, anyhow, really, he's going full eight. $380. Jesus Christ.
Oh, three up next, brother.
Really? Right here, huh?
Oh, four. Yeah, right there.
390. Let's say 393, 392.
That's all we need now, so we can get the fuck out this week.
That's right here. We'll go to 393. Shoot across from here. Yeah, I got a few more spots. What the expiration was on that, Lou?
November 17th, 3:55.
Gotta shake ass. All of you.
So this week, she gotta shake some ass this week. Like it should. If we don't do nothing this week, I'm out of there.
Yeah, I don't. I mean, it could keep falling. But
I mean, I know it can keep
Right.
it can keep, but I'm just so far out to where they'd have eaten my ass up. That gonna be
yo, that's wild.
Wow.
That's crazy.
Oh.
But now,
Hey
now
man,
he
we trying to
goes-
be professional.
That's crazy. You probably gonna be able to find something closer. Cause there's gonna be a few contracts. Like even if somebody might be able to get like a 410 foot. If we try to get that small bounce or that relief from just the constant selling the market been doing.
Yeah, I definitely should
The
have
way
took
you
something.
probably could roll into a high contract.
Yeah,
Like the 2 week out probably need to be, or that same date probably need to be like the 400.
yeah, that would
Yeah,
be way.
you end up getting that bitch for like 50 cents or some shit. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I know about that. Yeah. Oh, everybody left. Huh? That's fine. That's cool. That's cool. Everybody left. They left me. All on go. Ain't no motherfucking way. Lord, these things high, bro.
Yeah, bro. I wasn't expecting the ones that we had to be that high. Like I was, because those should have been like, I thought those was gonna be like 15 cents. Like I thought we was gonna be able to rack up on them motherfuckers. But
Said you could get in this bitch again at 90 if it come base out again. But it fucking did. Oh, this a week. Hold up. On my own.
I definitely didn't anticipate that half a week of it going up, but the other touch of it going back up and crushing our entry that we had because it was going down, and then it went back up.
Nah, because if that bitch come back down to $1,
That fake out at the bottom of that damn thing down there, that was where it got me at. That's like,
yeah, the full might be the one. Like you said, right? Full for. I just don't know how high this. Ideally, you want that bitch to come back to like 421 before it drop again, right? I'm not tripping.
So no, you on what time frame we on right now?
This
Weekly?
is daily.
Is it daily?
You got this, like you got this gap right here. You got two on top of each other. It closed above 410. So maybe it fills one gap and you get like right here. But I think on the weekly, you want 421.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, dog. I ain't trying to spook nobody out of trading this week, but I think this might be a good week to sit on the sideline. Cause
I know I am for the first. Well, yeah, because if you think about it, you got 2 days left on the month,
you got
and then you got the first day of the month.
this all that shit happening this week. You know what I'm
First day of the
saying?
month, you got 6 red folders.
Yep.
So it's not.
The bitches drop. Fuck that.
Yeah, it's not fucking.
Six
I mean,
red
it's good.
folders on the first. Oh.
No, so look, cause check it out, bro. Check it out. I'm just
On the drop loop, you just don't want to be this candle,
listen, but listen,
especially in the
this
futures. You don't
is
want to
what
be
I'm
this
saying,
candle
dog.
when that
Listen,
bitch driving.
this is all I'm gonna say, bro. Like when you have weeks like this, when the month end, the new month begin, all in the same week. Then you got FOMC and all that shit, bro. I know you feel like you could trade, but the market don't give a fuck about that.
If you ain't got the proper entry, I mean, your entry.
I'm just saying, bro. Like that's just me.
Definitely probably gonna get a
No.
end of the month run up.
That's just me,
No,
dog.
I ain't trading that shit. I'm not. I'm actually just trying to get my exit.
I'm just saying, bro. Like it's cool. It's cool to sit on the sideline and chill, watch, take notes.
All the big dogs hit too,
Take notes, dog.
like Tesla closing in here on this weekly gap. Gotta go fill that.
You don't have to.
You don't. You're right.
Still like, hey, bro, I still like that
Right.
fucking 200. I still like that.
You're right.
I
don't-
still like that,
You
bro.
don't have to fill it. You're right.
I like that. I take that to the upside, bro. I'm not holding it. I like that trade.
This one
Yeah, I take that Tesla
up
up.
to what? 340?
No way.
340?
I think it's like 221, 225. Yeah. What's half of that gap? Oh
Right
yeah.
here.
Oh yeah, I take that. From 200 to 221, that's $20,
You
man.
talking about once it fills here?
Oh man, I take that to the upside.
Once it fills.
Mhm. But don't listen to me. I don't do hood rat shit.
I went to the hood Friday, bro. Them bitches stole my rearview mirror
They took the then they stole the lugs
on
out
my
your car.
bike. On my bike, Mike.
Not they ain't do that to the street nigga, huh?
I don't care about none of that. That's why I ran into the nigga said, I said, I used to trade options. That boy said, I don't care about none of that. I gave you too many times, baby.
I'm confused. I don't care about none of that.
I don't care about none of that.
Get off the bike.
But yeah, 200. I don't know. This another weekend. Nah, that bitch could fall down here though. Tesla come all the way down to 167. You get the right fucking news. Now, look,
Them bitches gonna say we stop putting tires on our cars.
yes.
Oh, it's a wrap.
Look at this little spot right here. That bitch broke this. No, tell me to come down to 167, mate.
It could.
Maul,
Yeah.
I know Maul ain't acting like he don't hear us. He's gonna be the first one in that Tesla to put.
I'm here.
Ma, you still in
Yeah,
Colorado?
tell 211.
Man, go holler at Coach Prime, bro. I tell him
Maul gonna sell 211, bro.
All right, sell 211. I'm gonna go holler at that boy today,
Man,
man.
look
I
at
don't
this
know, dog.
shit.
It's
Nice.
snowing right now,
Private
bro.
in Colorado.
The fucking weather bad out here right now. I got stuck in a snowstorm coming back. Coming back to the hotel
They
yesterday.
cook your way out of that shit, huh?
That's crazy.
Hold on. Nah, dog, this bitch can sell.
Good, you're right. Absolutely.
Sell.
Absolutely. I 100% agree with you.
But you see right here, like we closed under here. Are you calling this a level? Where's your turnaround? You look like this level broke, and now we got to just look up. Am I the only one saying that? Look up. Look
Like
up.
that other block right now.
No. Got a lower high, a lower low. If we get anything down here, that's gonna be another lower low, and it's probably not gonna make it up here, dog. We sell down and fill this gap. I'm only playing it back to two. I'm selling 213 off of the recherries.
That's fine with me, bro. I
Going,
told you.
if we going to we going to 167.
Okay.
And Lord forbid it close under here. You see this fucking gap right here, bro.
That bitch been bounced too.
Yeah. Remember I got in there, what? I got in there too early or too late? I wanted
Oh, what you wanted 160? You wanted
yeah, some
160?
crazy shit. That bitch took off like $2 too early. But nah, that bitch in the zone.
Coming back to get you now?
You said, we was playing Wednesday. You good, bro? Come on. I'm gonna take my license plate for the next time I come out there. Fucking around with them.
Come teach us about those options and those futures that you were talking about last time.
Who else gonna be in the fucking boom room? Still watching this?
Close your mouth and your fat ass, boy.
We get closure right here. This the trade I won't take. My compadres. Closure under 379. Let's go ahead and get our money from the video. Yeah, market weak, bro.
It is very weak.
Microsoft, my apprentice was in Microsoft, dog. That bitch gave everything back. That went on a 20-point run for earnings and gave
all of it.
everything back in 2 days, bro. And he is spinning. Them boys had the perfect strike. You heard me? That bitch came straight to the line. Sold off. And then they had this guy on Instagram who was saying, if Microsoft, they had good earnings, but the market ain't run off of it. If Apple do the same thing on the 2nd, which is Thursday, where they go off and the market don't agree with it, it's like that's it. This the last two we're supposed to be running. This is all tech earnings and shit right now. That bitch still been selling, fighting through all that. You heard me? So
Yeah.
definitely downside.
Market is weak. But I'm still expecting a bounce before we really go to hell.
Going right. Nell still in there?
Yeah, putting bets in the chat, bro.
Oh, all right. That's what I was about to ask him about, but we
Yo,
we just making sure. You had anything you wanted to add for the people out there in YouTube? Y'all join his Telegram, Parlay Players. That's PLAYAS. Parlay Players, ran by Coach Phil Jackson over here.
You ain't no player.
So wait, you didn't hit on that thing last night?
Wait, what you said?
You didn't hit on that ticket last night?
The $1 turned into $35? No,
Yeah.
but look, I hedged it, Lou. So I had put up like throughout the day yesterday, I put up like $4, and by me only needing that one pick, I just traded against myself to make sure I got back like $6. So, you know,
Okay.
I didn't get the 35, but I got all my money back that I put up.
You got your money back.
Yeah, and plus $1. So I made $1. Yeah. Keep it going.
Hey, Ma, you gonna build a snowman, though?
quite possibly. I'll let y'all know. I'll send it to you.
All right, man. That's all I got. The only one I'm looking at is
No,
Nvidia,
nigga ain't
but
getting no trade today.
I like that Tesla. Like right now.
Right
maybe-
now.
Or do you wait?
Oh, no, in that
Nah,
bitch.
you gotta get in that bitch. Nah. Look at this, Mike. Come back, check out, man. Mike. Nah, dog. They selling. Broke this level. Came back, checked off the last run. Better hope you can get 212. Get a 212 entry. I like that Tesla sale all the way down to 67. Might want to get out at like 190. Mm-hmm. Like a 190, bro. I'm talking to y'all. I ain't gotta listen. Just wanted y'all to. I see y'all in the chat, bro.
All right.
Stay black.
Stay warm.